Hello and welcome back to the channel. I really haven't decided how many of these I'm going to do yet. I've done one and this will be the second one. This is basically on how to properly package items, in this case hobby items and slot cars for shipping. And this one is a special order for a customer. And when you have something like close to 200 hours into one piece that you've custom built for a client, then you definitely want it to arrive safely. So I'm going to add the tutorial that I sent to this particular customer to show him how to open up and unpack safely the item that he custom ordered. So we're going to go ahead and show you that, and then some of the step-by-step pictures that I took as I went along, and we'll see how many likes it gets. If you guys enjoy these videos, please hit the like button, throw a comment in, don't forget to click that notification bell, and subscribe if you're not subscribed to my channel already. And if you like them, then I'll make a couple more detailing some other little helpful tips. Alright, let's carry on with this particular customer's packaging video. Okay, Joe, I'm gonna do this in styrofoam just to make sure it's nice and snug and doesn't move around. The motor has its own little cutout in the back here, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna cut along the top here, and then these two sides are gonna unfold like that, and then you can carefully pull this piece out that way because the flag's here, and then take an Exacto blade and cut along here, and then that way you can lift this piece. It'll fold upwards, and in the back, just to keep it from sliding around, you're gonna cut up here, and this little like 1/4 inch piece, that's gonna, well, you'll have to cut along here, and along here, and then that will pull out, which will basically free up that motor so that you can pull it forward and up. And just be careful when you're pulling it out not to break off the fin or the exhaust pipes. But I've reinforced all of those. I also went back and redid the periscope. I just don't like that plastic one. You keep just carrying it, touching it, you bump it so much. So I formed one out of metal and a brass tip. So it's not bad. It still looks like an eye there, and everything else should be pretty well done. I also did metal ends on here, and then the Batmobile, I did ceramic coat on both of these, so that one's gonna get packed up here in a minute. But yeah, this is taking me a lot longer than I thought, but it'll at least be properly packaged as always. So I'll send you this video, and if you have any other questions, shoot me a text before opening it if you're not sure. Thanks.